There are a number of ways to take drugs such as orally, by inhalation, absorption through the skin, or by intravenous injection. Each way has unique side effects, but not all of them occur for all medications. However, these methods have caused some damages to healthy cells when they're delivering the drugs to a specific site. For instance, the National Institute of Biomedical Imaging and Bioengineering reports that an oral medication for seasonal allergy could cause an upset stomach. The need for creating a new way of delivering existing drugs will lead to a reduction of side effects like killing healthy cells in the process of delivery. One system of delivery can control the location in the body where it is released, which benefits the patient by targeting only the site of the problem. Not only can the location be released, but the rate as well. This means that the drugs can be taken less frequently because they also linger in the tissues longer. Drug delivery systems can treat many diseases such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes. However, cancer treatment is the most promising application. Surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy are currently used, and each of those methods comes with its own negative side effects. While surgery can remove the disease and prevent it from spreading, it can also cause significant damage to the surrounding tissues. Radiation often leaves the patient with skin problems and fatigue, while patients using chemotherapy experience nerve damage, infection, anemia, and memory issues. Nanoscale particles have been used largely for the delivery of therapeutic agents. These particles are on the molecular scale, often as small as 10 to the -7th meters, about half the width of an average bacterium. These particles have removed many of the issues with current delivery systems. Firstly, because of their small size, the circulation time is increased, allowing them to remain effective longer. Secondly, they can target the cancer cells by their selectivity to the unique structure of the cancer cells. Also, they use antibodies for active targeting strategies focused against specific tumor targets. Third, they can increase the drug concentration inside the cells without resistance from the immune system. There are several types of nanoparticles used on drug delivery systems, including polymers, proteins, lipids, and organometallic compounds. Polymeric nanoparticles are compounds that have the structure of normal cell capsules. The polymers are normally considered safe materials because of their water solubility, non-toxicity, and biodegradability. They're characterized by selective accumulation and specific targeting of the cancer cell. For example, Abraxane, a polymeric compound, has been applied in treatment for metastatic breast cancer. The particles are amphipathic and form a nano-sized core and shell structure when in water. These structures are very similar to cell membranes, where molecules form a hollow sphere. The hydrophobic core stores the hydrophobic drugs, while the hydrophilic shell allows the particles to be soluble in water. This is the best way for non-soluble drugs to be delivered into water-rich environments in the body. Another type of nanoparticle is the liposome, which is a lipid-based carrier. They're characterized by their targeting potential, ease of modification, and biocompatibility. Some liposome drug carriers have been proven to effectively treat cancer. Clinical cancer research has shown that several lipid-based drugs have been approved for the treatment of metastatic breast cancer and sarcoma. If one thing is certain, it's that nanoparticles are the future of drug delivery. The control we have over them is unmatched by any other medicine, and their potential for treatment is beyond anything else we have discovered. Even though the materials are invisible to the naked eye, the results are clear to see.